I need you to hear this with your whole heart today. I am laying down your portion again, not because you earned it, not because you deserve it, not because you finally got everything right. I am laying it down again because I am a God of second chances. I am a God of do-overs. I am a God who restores what was lost, who rebuilds what was broken, and who gives back what was stolen from you. You may have felt like your portion was gone forever. You may have felt like you missed your chance. You may have felt like you used up all your opportunities and there was nothing left for you. But I am telling you today, I am laying down your portion again. I know what you've been through. I know the battles you fought. I know the sleepless nights and the tear-stained pillows. I know the prayers you prayed that seemed to go unanswered. I know the dreams that died and the hopes that faded. I know the disappointment that settled into your heart like a heavy stone. I have seen every struggle. I have heard every cry. I have collected every tear. And I have never forgotten you. I have never turned my back on you. I have never given up on you. And now, in this moment, I am doing something new. I am laying down your portion again. What do I mean when I say your portion? I mean everything I have prepared for you since before the foundation of the world. I mean the blessings I designed specifically for your life. I mean the purpose I created you to fulfill. I mean the joy, the peace, the abundance, the love, the provision, the protection, the favor that I have always intended to pour out on you. Your portion is not just material things. Your portion is not just success or prosperity. Your portion is everything I am to you and everything I have for you. And I am laying it down again. I am bringing it back to you. I am restoring what the enemy tried to steal. The enemy thought he could take your portion from you. He thought if he could discourage you enough, if he could defeat you enough, if he could break you enough, you would give up. He thought if he could keep you distracted, keep you discouraged, keep you doubting, you would never receive what I have for you. And I'll be honest with you, he did take some things. He did delay some things. He did try to destroy some things. But he cannot keep what I have decided to give you. He cannot hold onto what I have decided to restore. And right now, I am laying down your portion again. I am taking back what the enemy stole. I am restoring what was lost. I am giving you a fresh start. I know you feel unworthy. I know you feel like you made too many mistakes. I know you feel like you've used up all your chances. But that is not how I operate. That is not who I am. I am not a God who keeps a record of your wrongs. I am not a God who holds your past against you. I am not a God who gives up on you after a few failures. I am a God of grace. I am a God of mercy. I am a God who loves to restore. And I am laying down your portion again, not because you're perfect, not because you've earned it, because I love you, because I am faithful, because I keep my promises. You may have been looking at your life and seeing only what's missing. You may have been comparing yourself to others and feeling like you got the short end of the stick. You may have been wondering if God forgot about you, if God abandoned you, if God just moved on to someone else. I want you to know that I have not forgotten you. I have not abandoned you. I have not moved on. I have been right here, working behind the scenes, preparing your restoration. I have been aligning circumstances. I have been positioning people. I have been orchestrating events. All of it leading to this moment where I can lay down your portion again. There's something powerful about the word again. It means I am not just giving you a replacement. I am giving you a restoration. I am not just giving you something new. I am giving you something renewed. I am taking what was lost and bringing it back. I am taking what was broken and fixing it. I am taking what was stolen and returning it. This is not just a second chance. This is a fresh start. This is a new beginning. This is your portion, the one I always intended for you, being laid down at your feet once more. I want you to remember the story of Job. He lost everything. His children, his wealth, his health, his reputation. Everything he had was taken from him. And you would have thought it was over for him. You would have thought there was no way back. But I restored him. I gave him back double what he lost. His latter days were greater than his former. And I am doing the same for you. I am restoring. I am rebuilding. I am giving you back more than you lost. I am laying down your portion again, and it is going to be greater than it was before. I want you to remember the story of the prodigal son. He took his inheritance, wasted it on wild living, ended up feeding pigs, and was so desperate he wanted to eat the food the pigs were eating. He thought he had lost everything. He thought he had ruined his life. He thought there was no way back to his father's house. But his father saw him from a distance, ran to him, embraced him, kissed him, and restored him completely. He gave him a robe, a ring, sandals on his feet, and threw a celebration. That is what I am doing for you. I see you from a distance. I am running to you. I am embracing you. I am restoring you. And I am laying down your portion again. I know you have wandered. I know you have made mistakes. I know you have wasted some of what I gave you. But I am not holding that against you. I am not bringing it up. I am not making you pay for it. I am running to you with open arms, and I am laying down your portion again. The robe represents your righteousness in me. The ring represents your authority. The sandals represent your freedom. The celebration represents my joy over you. All of it is yours again. Your portion is being restored. I want you to let go of the guilt. I want you to let go of the shame. I want you to let go of the condemnation. It is not from me. It has never been from me. The enemy uses guilt to keep you trapped. He uses shame to keep you silent. He uses condemnation to keep you from receiving what I have for you. But I am telling you, there is no condemnation for those who are in me. You are free. You are forgiven. You are restored. And I am laying down your portion again. I am not just giving you a little bit. I am not just giving you enough to get by. I am laying down a full portion, a generous portion, a portion that will overflow, a portion that will leave you in awe. I am the God of abundance. I am the God who does more than you can ask or imagine. I am the God who opens the windows of heaven and pours out blessings so full that you cannot contain it. That is your portion. That is what I am laying down for you again. I want you to prepare your heart to receive it. I want you to create space for it. I want you to believe for it. I want you to get ready for it, because it is coming. It is already on its way. The restoration is happening. The blessing is coming. The breakthrough is here. I am laying down your portion again, and it is more than you ever dreamed. It is bigger than your failures. It is greater than your mistakes. It is stronger than your doubts. It is more powerful than your fears. It is everything I promise you, and I always keep my promises. I know it may feel like it's too late for you. I know you may feel like you've missed your chance. I know you may feel like you've ruined everything. But I am telling you it is not too late. It is never too late with me. I am the God of redemption. I am the God of restoration. I am the God who brings dead things back to life. I am laying down your portion again, and it is going to be better than before, more abundant, more joyful, more peaceful, more fulfilling, more aligned with my purpose for your life. I want you to stop comparing your portion to others. I have not given anyone else what I have for you. I have not designed anyone else's life the way I have designed yours. Your portion is unique. Your portion is personal. Your portion is perfect for you, and I am laying it down again. So don't look at what others have and feel jealous. Don't look at what others have and feel like you're missing out. Look at me. Trust in me. Believe that I have good things for you. Believe that I am not holding back. Believe that I am not waiting for you to fail. I am waiting for you to receive. I am laying down your portion again, and I want you to take it. I want you to receive it with both hands. I want you to accept it with joy. I want you to embrace it with faith. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your season. The door is open. The blessing is waiting. The portion is ready. All you have to do is walk through the door, take the blessing, and receive the portion I have prepared for you. I know you've been hurt by disappointment. I know you've been burned by waiting. I know you have learned to protect your heart from hope because it hurts too much when things don't work out. But I am asking you to trust me again. I am asking you to hope again. I am asking you to believe again, because I am not like people. I do not break my promises. I do not change my mind. I do not fail. I am laying down your portion again, and I am going to see it through. I want you to remember how far you've come. I want you to look back and see how I have carried you through every storm, how I have provided for you in every season, how I have protected you in every battle. I have never let you go. I have never given up on you. I have always been working for your good, and I am not stopping now. I am not finished with you yet. I am laying down your portion again, and I am going to complete what I started. You are not a failure. You are not a disappointment. You are not a regret. You are my beloved child. You are my treasured possession. You are my masterpiece, and I have a portion for you that no one else can take, a portion that the enemy cannot steal, a portion that you cannot lose, a portion that is yours for all eternity. I am laying it down again, and it is yours to receive. So open your hands, open your heart, open your life. Receive what I am giving you. Do not reject it out of guilt. Do not reject it out of fear. Do not reject it out of unworthiness. I have already made you worthy. I have already made you clean. I have already made you whole. Your portion is yours, and I am laying it down again. Amen.